build today?
We are making a fire pit for one of our very best friends. Hi, Leah. She loves a good fire, and we had her over for a nice fire in our fire pit, and she loved it, and she said, oh, I want one of these, and we said, well, we'll make you one.
We're building it out of this 55-gallon drum. We're going to chop this up. We're going to drill vent holes at the bottom so the air can get in, so your fire will start easier. And we're going to weld some legs onto it, and we're going to grind the paint off of it.
All right, here we go.
All right, so I've got all my holes marked. I'm going to drill it with a regular drill bit first, and then I'm going to come back with this large unibit. It's tapered, so it gets to a large size faster. Before you start drilling, cutting anything on these, even if they say they're empty, they're never fully empty. So lay it down on a piece of cardboard or something so that it catches any oil that comes out of it. And also be mindful of what was inside your barrel. Make sure it's not flammable or anything like that, because once you start drilling or cutting, if a hot ember falls into your fluid, if it is flammable, you could not enjoy yourself. Alright friends, well as you can tell I'm losing my sunlight, so I'm going to call it a night. I got all my holes drilled, and I just want to show you something real quick. So this barrel right now is leaning this direction, and I drilled all my holes over here. Look at all the oil that has already leaked out of this thing. So I am very glad that I put that cardboard down, and it'll soak into the cardboard. I can dispose of it properly, and everything will be great. Hey friends, we're back for day 2 of this project. Hopefully today we can get all the paint sanded off of this, and also we're going to chop this right here and fold this edge over so there's no sharp edges. Just using a regular palm sander, 80 grit. Seems to take the paint off pretty good. Yes, I already tested it. This is my favorite part. Done sanding on this. Anything that I missed is going to get burnt off the first time I burn something in here anyways. So now I gotta get the Sawzall and chop it up. And I believe I'm going to get my beautiful wife Angie to help me. Yep, you're going to see her with the Sawzall. All I could find were these little teeny short blades. It's going to be real annoying to get this started, but I'm just going to chop it just on this side of this ridge here. Right, you can kind of see a natural line that was left from when I was sanding. I'm going to cut it just on the inside of that. That's not going to work. I'm going to try a different plan. I'm going to start my cut with the death wheel and the angle grinder. Don't forget your safety glasses. Take quick work of that. Messes up the metal on the backside when you use them. I think I'm gonna let Angie do this because this is loud. One hand here, one hand. Grab it.
I'm scared. But the saw's way down there.
Yeah, it doesn't move anywhere up here. Well, Angie did a fantastic job. I finished it off. Now, we have what's going to be a fire pit. Look at where I cut this. It's tapering in, so I'm going to fold this lip down. I'm getting a later start than I wanted to today. Instead of finishing this up, I'm probably only going to get this lip rolled down, but that'll be alright. The way that I like to do it is I'll take a crescent wrench and I'll shrink it down really small to where it just fits over here. That way I can get a nice even spot all the way around and just start folding it as I go around, and it creates a nice even edge as I go around. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing that. Once I get it most of the way folded over, then I'll start taking a hammer to it, and I'm got a trick for that too. I'll show you that when I get to it. Alright, well that's about as far as I can get it with the crescent wrench. I've got it mostly even all the way around, and it's just kind of going straight in now. I'm going to actually take two hammers, a larger one and a smaller one. The larger one's going to go on the outside. It's just going to work as something heavy to make sure this metal just doesn't move around. Set it there. As you can see, we have a nice smooth lip. Nobody's gonna cut their fingers on that. And it's consistent all the way around. As you can probably also see, it's dark out. You could call this done right here and be perfectly fine with setting this on the grass, just burning in it, it'd be perfectly fine. But the person I'm building this for is gonna set this on a patio, so we'd like it to be up off the ground. So I'm gonna weld some legs onto this. Friends, I gotta finish this thing up today. It's not gonna take me very long. For the legs, I just cut up a bunch of short pieces of pipe, and I'm simply just going to weld them on. These are galvanized pipes. If you notice, I ground all the galvanizing off of the part that I'm gonna be welding on. This welder has definitely seen better days. The bottom of the barrel's got all kinds of dents and bends in it. So I'm not expecting it to sit perfectly flat on all four legs right away. But I'm just gonna let the weight kind of settle and bend it to its happy spot. Yeah, not bad. I recorded this outro last night, but it was too dark, so I don't think it came out very good. Here's the finished product. I think it came out pretty nice. My friends should enjoy it and get lots of use out of it. It is gonna rust, but it just kind of adds to the character. I know it's not a forever fire pit because it's gonna rust out, but they all do. I did burn in it last night to get all the oil off of it, get all the remaining paint off, and it looks great. I did even go a step further and cut the top off the barrel. Now there's a lid. So that came out pretty cool. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, tell all your friends, and we will see you on the next one.